Hey, come along with us today. We're down here at the Cottage City Police Department, and we're installing a lawn sprinkler system for this property. Come along. So we've got the Ttlc Hwy smart controller mounted here at the police station for the folks. Wireless antenna going up to the wireless rain sensor. In this case, it's close by. A lot of homes, a lot of businesses. We can go up to 700 feet. In this case here, there's no canopies around and nothing to disturb that. So we mounted this one close. But these rain sensors connected to these smart controllers and then dialed in with the latitude and longitude makes this his own weather station right here. Great setup. It'll save these folks a lot of water. So now we can put the water down when we need it and only when we need it. So if we get a hot week in the middle of the summer, that's when we need it, so you're not have to repair your property in the fall. And on the other half is you're not putting water out and it's running down the road and there's excess water, and because obviously once you overwater, nothing happens except for a lot of excess growth of your turf, of your shrubs. And this way we got this dialed in, so we got the best of both worlds. We'll keep the property green when it calls for water, and then when it doesn't need it, figures all that out electronically and done. So it's a beautiful setup. It's a win-win for everybody involved. For more information about TLC's lawn sprinkler installation process, give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342 or hit the link below for more information.